this is a yay or nay. Like, am I gonna wear this today? Is this a yay or nay? Should I change it? I think I should. Oh my god, guys, I changed it. I changed my fit. Hindi ko alam if etong skinny jeans na ito or this one. Yung color na to kasi. Ang hirap ha, ang hirap. Guess what I ended up with? Sa dinami-dami ng sinuot ko, ito lang pala. Like, wow, such a basic fit. Tingnan niyo naman ang ending. Kasi kanina pa ako hindi tingnan niyo naman yung kama ko. Nagtataka kayo bakit ako nakabihas. Kakain kami sa labas. For lunch. Saan phone ko? Lunch, but it's like magti 3 PM na. Pero ayos naman ang gamit. At ang gulo ng kama. I was supposed to wear this talaga, like the skinny jeans, but like, binigyan ko ng second chance yung skinny jeans, pero hindi talaga. So, hindi ko na siya ilalagay. Ipo-fold ko. Hindi ko na siya i-hanger talaga. No, hindi ko alam if maglalagay ako ng makeup. Maglalagay ba ako? Ang tamad ako eh. Pero like, wait, maglalagay muna ako ng accessories. Accessories? Maglalagay muna ako ng accessories. This one. Ay, hindi pala kita. Or should I wear this as well? Huwag na to. Hindi ko na ito isusuot. Ito na lang. Kasya ba to? Mahirap kasi isuot. So, ipagkakasya ko siya dito. Ang hirap kasi. Oh, bruh. Kasya yan. I believe kasya. Sabi sa inyo kasya eh. See. Guys, I don't know if it's a lighting or yung makeup ko ang pangit. Hindi siya pangit, pero feel ko sa lighting ko. Like, is it? I'm gonna remove it, I think. Bakit pa ka siya nag-wake up? Sige, hairspray na lang. Actually, hindi na. Baka magkamaligin ako eh. I will wash my face. Okay, I just washed my face. Ano naman nangyayari? Hindi pa ako nag-ayos ng bag. I didn't charge my freaking phone! I'm finally done. I'm not. Lalagay pala ako ulit ng moisturizer and sunscreen. Kasi I removed... Tapos na ata talaga ako. Papabangan na lang. Jo Malone.
Ano yung
Oh my god. This one. I'm getting this one, I think. Oh, there's octopus. There's squid. This is mine. My food is here.
Hindi ka pa sanay natin.
Sure ba?
Hindi lagi.
will try the Xiaolong Bao. I will try. When the phone rings, because I'm currently watching the K-drama on Netflix. I'm gonna watch, and I'm currently on episode 3, episode 4, I think. Oh my gosh, there's no fan. I got the fan, but this is not my fan. This is Granny's. Kasi nakalabas sa room niya, so. Pero ito din ata yung ginagamit sa fam room, so ito na ang kinuha ko. Ay, I'm gonna watch now. It's 12:55. In 5 minutes, it's gonna be Christmas. And also, I got coins. Tapos nagmask kami, tapos nagbato ng coins. So, I got coins. Pero yung nakuha ko doon is like 10 pesos lang. Yung iba dyan galing sa dad ko, it's brother. But right now, I'm gonna eat ice cream. Because we have ice cream. We bought ice cream. Merry Christmas!
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas from Mary. It's 1:24 a.m. And maliligo ako kasi hindi ko alam, pero ang hyper ko, guys. So, kanina pa ako sumasayaw. Parang, ba't ganito yung buhok ko? Maliligo ako kasi ang init. Kanina pa ako tumatalon-talon dito, parang ewan. So, maliligo ako. And then, after I take a bath, manonood na lang ako sa iPad ng K-drama na pinapanood ko kanina. It's December 25 na. It's 12 p.m. 12:30 to be exact. It's 12:30 p.m. and I'm gonna edit the video that I'm gonna be uploading tomorrow or on Friday, because I usually post on Fridays. So, here you go. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing jorts. Tapos, nakapolo lang. I don't know if it's giving or not, but for me, it's giving. It's cute. So, I'm wearing this. Also, hindi na pala ako mag-vlog habang nagla-lunch. Kasi kakain lang naman.
I have a feeling you would diddle me if I slept with you in the investiture campus.
Okay, Ate Sandy. Nag-review nga siya kanina.
I want to show his gat.
Oh, God! They're matches. Sino yon? May tao dito. It's 5:44 right now, and I'm gonna make some, I don't know what it's called. Hindi ko alam anong tawag dun sa gagawin ko. Pero mamaya ko na ipapakita pag tapos na gawin kasi ang dilim ng lighting sa baba. So, ang pangit tignan. Ipapakita ko na lang later when it's done. Paulit-ulit. Gonna play a game.
Kaya ngayon, Hihingin na namin yung pera mo kasi hindi mo rin matadala sa langit yun. May price. 10 piso.
How much is the price? How much is the price?
Ano kami?
Matatandaan nyo kung alin mali.
This is ink. This is ink.
Ay, walang ganyan. Walang ganyan. Memory lang.
Hindi ko binlog yung kanina. What?
Baba.
Hindi, dito yun eh. Dito yun. I know! Oh, yeah.
Ay, ikaw pa.
Oh, me again.
Dalawa tama.
I got two correct. I told you! See? Got 200.